Hey everyone, it's David, and I wanted to make a quick video on what I think makes a really good negotiator. Now, there's a lot of techniques that you could throw in there, like mirroring and things like that, but as I've been negotiating for hundreds of deals, I've realized that there are a few key factors that make a good negotiator. I would say one of the most important things is being able to actively listen to the person that you're talking to, because a lot of people are so caught up in what's the next thing that I'm going to be saying next rather than listening to what the other person is saying. And as you're actively listening, what's happening is you're listening to what their motivation is, what's the deeper reasoning behind what they're trying to do and why they're trying to do it. And so that way you could respond in their actual motivation and be able to work off of that. Another key factor to negotiating is finding the other person's motivation. The motivation is the main reason to why they're speaking to you in the first place and why they sort out your services. Their motivation and the time frame that they're trying to get it done is a big factor on not only wanting to do it, but actually getting it done. All right, so far we went over being an active listener, reminding them of their motivation and the time frame that they're trying to get it done. To tie it all up, being able to ask all the right questions is what's most important, which it all goes together. Now, if you're telling me that you want to move, why do you want to move? You want to move because you want to get a bigger home. Okay, that's your motivation. How soon are you looking to do that? Oh, you want to do it within 2 months, let's say. Why is it important to you to be able to get a bigger home? Oh, let's just say that your wife is pregnant and you need a bigger home because you have a baby on the way. That's me asking the right question, digging deeper onto your motivation on why do you need to get these things done. Asking the right questions along with everything else just ties it all together and kind of helps you understand their situation so you're then better to help them. Now let's end it with this. A lot of people see negotiating, and I've done it before when I was still a fresh salesman, is a lot of people see it as like a one-on-one battle. I'm gonna talk to you, I'm gonna win this so that you could buy my services or my product, when it shouldn't be like that. A good master negotiator asks all the right questions so that I lead you into the conclusion that I want it to lead into. If you're looking to, for example, since I'm a realtor, if you're looking to sell your home, I'm going to touch on every aspect on why you were thinking of doing it, the time frame you wanted to do it, and then have you go into that we need to get it done, here's the contract. I'm working with you to come to the conclusion, that you already want to get to. And that, in my opinion, is what makes a good negotiator.